Hey hustlers, Mind Games here, ready to dive into the world of e-commerce? Dropshipping is your ticket to becoming an entrepreneur without needing a warehouse full of inventory. It's all about connecting customers with products, and you're the mastermind behind it all. We're talking low overhead, high potential, and the freedom to work from anywhere. WooCommerce is the ultimate platform to build your dropshipping empire. It's user-friendly, customizable, and integrates seamlessly with WordPress, the world's most popular website builder. Whether you're a tech whiz or a total newbie, this guide will give you the step-by-step blueprint to launch your very own dropshipping business. No more excuses, no more waiting for the perfect time. The time is now. Let's turn that entrepreneurial fire in your belly into a blazing inferno. Get ready to learn, hustle, and dominate the e-commerce game. We're going to break it down into bite-sized pieces so you can digest it all and start taking action. Ready to crush it? Let's go. First things first, you need a home base for your online store. Think of it as your virtual storefront where customers will browse your awesome products. We're going to use WordPress, a powerful and versatile website builder, and WooCommerce, the e-commerce plugin that makes it all happen. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. Head over to wordpress.org and choose a hosting plan. Think of hosting as renting space on the internet for your website to live. Once you've got your hosting sorted, installing WordPress is a breeze. Most hosting providers offer one-click installation, making it faster than ordering a pizza. With WordPress up and running, it's time to install WooCommerce. Go to your WordPress dashboard, click on Plugins, and search for WooCommerce. Hit that Install Now button and activate the plugin. Boom! You've got the foundation for your dropshipping empire. Now let's customize your store. Choose a theme that aligns with your brand and products. Add your logo, colors, and personalize it to make it uniquely yours. Remember, first impressions matter, so make it sleek and professional. Plugins are like apps for your WooCommerce store. They are small pieces of software that add specific features and functionalities to your website, making it more powerful and versatile. They add functionality and make your life a whole lot easier. Imagine trying to run a store without the ability to track inventory or manage customer orders efficiently. Plugins take care of these tasks and much more. And trust me, when you're running a dropshipping business, you need all the help you can get. The right plugins can save you hours of manual work and help you avoid costly mistakes. Let's talk about some essential plugins to streamline your operations. These plugins will not only save you time, but also enhance the overall shopping experience for your customers. First up, you need a dropshipping plugin to connect your store with suppliers and automate the order fulfillment process. This is crucial for maintaining a smooth workflow and ensuring that your customers receive their orders on time. Some popular options include Spocket, which offers a wide range of products from suppliers around the world, Deesers, which is known for its seamless integration with AliExpress, and Dropify, which simplifies inventory management and order processing. These plugins allow you to import products from suppliers, set your own prices, and manage inventory with ease. Next, let's optimize your store for conversions. This means turning visitors into paying customers. Install WooCommerce conversion rate optimization plugins like WooCommerce Wishlist, which allows customers to save products for later. This feature can significantly increase the chances of a sale, as customers often return to purchase items they have saved, which allows customers to save products for later, making it easier for them to find and purchase their favorite items. And WooCommerce Cart Abandonment Recovery, which helps you recover lost sales by sending automated emails to customers who left items in their cart. This plugin can be a game changer, as it helps you re-engage with potential customers and encourage them to complete their purchase, which helps you recover lost sales by sending automated emails to customers who left items in their cart. These emails can include special offers or discounts to entice customers to return and complete their purchase. Finally, don't forget about security and performance. A secure and fast website is essential for building trust with your customers and ensuring a smooth shopping experience. Install a security plugin like WordFence to protect your store from hackers and malicious attacks. This plugin offers features like firewall protection, malware scanning, and login security, and a caching plugin like WP Supercache to speed up your website. Faster load times can lead to higher customer satisfaction and better search engine rankings. A fast and secure website equals happy customers and more sales. By investing in these essential plugins, you can create a more efficient, secure, and user-friendly online store that keeps customers coming back for more. Now, let's talk about the backbone of your dropshipping business suppliers. These are the rock stars who manufacture, store, and ship the products directly to your customers. Without reliable suppliers, your business could face significant challenges, from delayed shipments to poor product quality. These suppliers are the unsung heroes behind the scenes, ensuring that your customers receive their orders on time and in perfect condition. They handle the logistics so you can focus on marketing and growing your business. Choosing the right suppliers is crucial for your success, so let's dive into some tips for finding reliable partners. The first step is to conduct thorough research. This means not just looking at their product offerings, but also understanding their reputation in the market. Start by researching potential suppliers using platforms like AliExpress, Salehu, and Worldwide Brands. These platforms offer a wide range of suppliers, making it easier to compare and contrast their offerings. Look for suppliers with positive reviews, competitive pricing, and a wide selection of products in your niche. Reviews can give you insights into other businesses' experiences with the supplier, helping you gauge their reliability. Once you've identified potential candidates, reach out to them and ask about their shipping times, return policies, and customer service. It's important to understand how they handle returns and refunds, as this can impact your customer satisfaction. Remember, communication is key in any relationship, especially in business. A supplier who is difficult to communicate with can cause delays and misunderstandings, which can hurt your business. Don't be afraid to ask questions and get a feel for their communication style. Are they responsive? Do they answer your questions thoroughly? Good communication can make a significant difference in how smoothly your operations run. Do they answer your questions thoroughly? A supplier who takes the time to provide detailed answers is likely to be more reliable and easier to work with. A good supplier will be transparent, helpful, and eager to work with you. They should be willing to share information about their processes and be open to feedback. Finally, always order samples from potential suppliers to assess the quality of their products and packaging. This step is crucial, as it allows you to experience firsthand what your customers will receive. This will give you firsthand experience with their fulfillment process and help you make an informed decision. Pay attention to the quality of the products, the packaging, and the time it takes for the samples to arrive. Remember, your suppliers are an extension of your brand, so choose wisely. The right supplier can help you build a strong reputation and ensure customer satisfaction, which is key to the long-term success of your dropshipping business. With your WooCommerce store set up and reliable suppliers on board, it's time to stock your virtual shelves with awesome products. This is a crucial step in building a successful e-commerce business, as the products you offer will define your brand and attract customers. This is where the fun begins. The process of selecting and importing products can be both exciting and rewarding. Thanks to your dropshipping plugin, importing products from your suppliers is a breeze. The plugin streamlines the entire process, making it efficient and hassle-free. Simply browse your supplier's catalog through the plugin's interface and select the products you want to add to your store. This allows you to easily find the best items that fit your niche and target audience. You can import product descriptions, images, and even customer reviews with just a few clicks. This saves you a significant amount of time and ensures that your product listings are comprehensive and appealing. No need to manually upload each product one by one. The bulk import feature allows you to add multiple products at once, making the process much more efficient. Once you've imported your products, it's time to optimize them for conversions. This involves several key steps to ensure that your products stand out and attract buyers. Write compelling product descriptions that highlight the benefits and features of each item. Use persuasive language to draw attention to what makes your products unique and valuable. Use high-quality images that showcase your products in the best possible light. Clear, professional photos can significantly impact a customer's decision to purchase. And don't forget to set competitive prices that will entice customers to hit that Add to Cart button. Research your competitors and find a pricing strategy that works for your market. Remember, your product pages are your sales pitch, so make them count. Ensure that each page is well organized, informative, and visually appealing. Highlight the unique selling points of each product and address any potential objections customers might have. This can include details about quality, usability, and any special features. The more confident and informative your product pages are, the more likely you are to convert browsers into buyers. Provide all the necessary information to help customers make informed decisions. And don't forget to include customer reviews and testimonials to build trust and credibility. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, like, comment, and share.